You're playing with chemicals, Bob. Don't you know? Those are very dangerous.
Cool, Joe. I'm not playing. I'm trying to convert this chemical energy to electrical energy.
How can you convert, Bob?
I have an experiment that converts this chemical energy to electrical energy.
Is it? Will you show it to me?
Why not? Let's take the required materials. Beaker, dilute sulphuric acid, copper rod, zinc rod, electric bulb, copper wire. Now take this beaker containing dilute sulphuric acid. Insert copper rod and zinc rod in the beaker like this. Take a copper wire and connect both the rods to an electric bulb. Now slowly, zinc begins to dissolve in the sulphuric acid, and the bubbles of the hydrogen are formed on the copper rod. As a result of this, bulb glows. In this, copper rod acquires a positive charge, so it is positive electrode. Zinc rod acquires negative charge, so it is called negative electrode. Now, the chemical energy is converted to electrical energy.
You're right, Bob. We can convert chemical energy to electrical energy.
That's good.